Imperial Vienna. Enjoy the individual Vienna tour with us. The capital of Austria is situated only 240 kilometers from Budapest. Upon arrival we drive along the famous Ringstrasse, Vienna's main boulevard, to give you a first impression of the most important sights of Vienna and show you the city park, the State Opera House, the museums of fine arts and natural history, the Parliament, the Burgtheater, the City Hall and the votive church. Then we take a short walk to the most beautiful parts of the city centre, like the Museum Gorta, the Hofburg, which was the winter residence of the Habsburgs, and we stroll along Kärntnerstrasse, the most famous shopping street, and see the Stephen's Cathedral as well. Afterwards we provide you time for shopping in the elegant pedestrian area, or there's an opportunity to visit the Schönbrunn Palace or any other museum, or you can explore Prater, the well-known amusement park. On the way home we stop at Hundertwasserhaus for a short journey into the land of creative architecture. After arriving back in Budapest, the tour ends at the hotel.